For one response to the allegations from 9 out of the 10 aspirants under the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Dr. Anthony Aziegbemi, wey be the chairman of the PDP Edo State chapter, don tok say the aspirants get right to their views, but he no agree with their position, say the Congress dey peaceful, credible and fair, and come yarn dem say make dem go meet the appeal panel wey dey headed by former governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Seriki Dixon, to settle their issues. Dr. Anthony Aziegbemi yarn this one when he dey brief tori pipo on the success of the election, when he describe as the best election wey dey conduct for Naija since 1999. He come say the process dey peaceful, fair and credible, but one incident come make the committee to cancel the exercise for Etsako Central and result no go dey from Etsako Central. He come still talk say the committee wey dey led by Enugu State Governor Peter Mba don cancel all the results from Etsako Central local government area of Edo State sake of say the election no hold as dem allegedly kidnap vehicle wey carry 9 electoral officers for around Jatu Etsako Central local government area of Edo State. Aziegbemi come talk say dem call the Commissioner of Police, DPO and Vigilante to sharply chook eye for the matter and say after dem finish their investigation, dem no still see the electoral officers. Na that one come make the panel take the decision to cancel Etsako Central as results from that area no go get effect for the overall results in terms of the governorship primary on the 22nd of February 2024. Aziegbemi come talk say dem suppose get 31 delegates from Etsako Central and the overall expected delegates to vote for the governorship primary for February na 594. But say if you check the ratio of the numbers, the decision wey the committee make to cancel the result na the best one. And say for PDP, na life first, as it no make sense to dey do election for where dem for kidnap people. A constant talk say make dem dey careful of negative and bad talk about the party as dem grant interviews, as those kind talk dey spoil the image of the party.
The congresses went extremely well. It was peaceful. It was fair. It was credible. We had only one incident. And that is why the panel, headed by His Excellency, the Governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, the panel have decided and undertaken a decision to cancel Etsako Central. So we're not going to have results for Etsako Central. Now, why is that so? The vehicle conveying the electoral officers were kidnapped somewhere in J2. The CP was immediately called upon to get to the bottom of this. The DPO, the vigilante, everybody around that area were tagged on the issue. And unfortunately, as at the time we were closing the Congress yesterday, we couldn't lay hands on the electoral officers. So I'm sure the panel, in their wisdom, decided that leaving at Etsako Central will not have any substantial effect on the overall results in terms of the governorship primaries that will take place on the 22nd of February this year. We're expecting that Etsako Central is supposed to give us 31 delegates. And overall, we're expecting 594 delegates to vote on the 22nd of February. So if you take that ratio, 31 to 594, you will agree with the panel that that's perhaps the best decision to have taken. As I said earlier, the process we put in place was very robust, was very transparent, was very credible. So I would imagine that whatever issues they have, which they have a right to, which we respect, but we disagree with, and that is why the party, in its wisdom, has set up an appeal panel headed by His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Seriki Dixon. They are going to be sitting on the 7th of this month. So whatever issues they have individually or collectively, the party has set up the appeal panel already, and I will urge them to take their grievance there And I will say this, I will also urge them to be more circumspect when they are granting press interviews and statements. Because ultimately, the image of the PDP is being battered when they say such negative things against the party.
Make una no forget say, na as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.